Hello, let us solve this problem. We are asked to evaluate sine cos inverse of 3 over 5. Now, evaluate sine cos inverse of 3 over 5. So, now, first of all, let us assume that the value in the bracket is equal to something. Let cos inverse of 3 over 5 be equals to x. Okay? Yes, let's assume it is x. So, in this case now, or we can use theta. Let's use theta. We can use anything, but let's use theta so that we understand it better. So if you cross multiply with cos x, you multiply this by cos, you multiply it by cos, so you have what? Cos theta is equals to 3 over 5. I hope you understand. Multiplying both by cos. So cos times cos inverse, we cancel this out. You have 3 over 5 here, and this one will be cos theta. So now, using our knowledge of right angle triangle. Yes. This is our knowledge of right angle triangle. Let's put our theta here. Using cos theta. That is from SOHCAHTOA. If you apply SOHCAHTOA, this is cos theta is from K. This adjacent over hypotenuse. That is our adjacent is 3. Our hypotenuse is always the longest side. So the opposite is the side facing your theta. So obviously, when you are faced with a trice-sided values that are Pythagorean in nature, once this is 5, this is 3, this will be automatically 4. So you don't have to stress yourself. And if you want to find out, just apply Pythagoras theorem. This will be 5 squared is equals to 3 squared plus this thing that you don't know. If you use x squared there, 5 squared is 25, minus 9 is equals to x squared. This 16 is equals to x squared. So x is equals to the square root of 16. That's 4. So that's 4. Okay? Now, that means this is 4. So in this case now, our cos inverse of 3 over 5, which we call theta, we know what it is now. Fine. What is the value of cos inverse of 3 over 5? From what we have just done, it says it equals to theta. Fine. So that implies that we now have the whole of this thing is now sine theta. Because we have assumed that cos inverse of 3 over 5 should be theta. So we replace it by theta. So sine theta. And now from this particular statement, what is sine theta? Sine theta is taken from which is what? Opposite over hypotenuse. Our opposite side now is 4. All over hypotenuse is what? Is 5. Therefore, sine of cos inverse of 3 over 5 is equals to 4 over 5. Is equals to 4 over 5. Bye.